Good afternoon and welcome in Italy. Today we're going to review the Chigee AIO-5 Lite. So not the Play. And we're in beautiful Italy, and I thought I've been using this device for more than a week now, and I think I'm ready for a good review. So let's go. As I said, I've been using this device for more than a week now, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It is really bright in the sun. It's even brighter than my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is a pretty bright display. But this is easily, yeah, it's much more readable than that device. Also, I've been using it to control my music and control my Google Maps or Osmond. And you can also use the camera to look behind you. For example, let's see. Let's get the map in front. This is I'm using Osmond right now because it's offline, and that's better than Google Maps right now because my data is out. But yeah, it works really good. It has its own GPS, so you can also see your own distance, what you've driven, how long you've ridden, and of course your kilometers. There's also a link system coming available for the GS, and then you can use your Wonder Wheel for this device, which is also really nice. I'm looking forward to that one. Overall, I think it's a really nice device. It's pretty small, it's smaller than my phone, but it's always good to have something always there. Apple CarPlay connects really easily and really fast. So, and I've never had an issue with losing the connection or something like that. It's just really good. And if you go to the home screen, you can see kilometers, how much you're riding. It does take a little while for the GPS to engage, so probably if we're going a little bit longer, look at this view. So of course you can control your phone with it, you can call, you can do everything what you can do with Apple CarPlay. You cannot watch movies, but I think that's a good thing because you should not be distracted on the road. Yeah, overall really nice device. I also really like the cameras. I've never used the footage yet, but you know, in case of an accident or something like that, or something happens that you forgot to record with your GoPro, you have it on camera on your Dashcam. Let me show you the Dashcam when I'm in a straight line, because we're riding a mountain pass right now in Italy. I thought this was a really good spot to do a review. So let's see if we can go to the camera. Video. So you're seeing my brother right now behind me, and the speed would come up in a couple of minutes, but we're in the mountains, so it could be a little bit it takes some time for the GPS to work, but most of the times it works perfectly. What is he doing? So, and yeah, overall I'm really happy with the device. It costs around 500 euros, which is a lot, but you do get really nice hardware for it. It also has some physical buttons the responsiveness with gloves on, I think it's perfect. And also when it's raining, it does nothing. Sometimes your phone flips out when it has raindrops. This device doesn't have any problems with that. Also, the installation, also really important. This is not the Play version, so this is the Lite version. The Play version is just plug and play into the BMW. But for this one you need to remove the old cradle, use an accessory plug. Really nice tunnel. Use the accessory plug. You can buy that separately. I will put that down in the link. And yeah, just install it. So you need to remove the front panels, the side panels, not the headlight, but you do need to remove the windscreen and also the cover under the windscreen. And then you need to route the cables, because you're going to install the dashcam, of course. So really good to know. You also get some TPMS sensors supplied, and I'm sure they work perfectly, but I didn't install them yet because this bike has its own TPMS sensor. So I was like, okay, maybe I don't need it, but maybe I will do it eventually if it's good. Overall, a really nice device for 500 euros. It costs a lot. It costs more than some GPSs from TomTom or from Garmin, but Apple CarPlay, and look, now the kilometers are working. Also the altitude is working. We're now at 1255 meters above sea level and we're going down. But yeah, as I said, you can also buy in the Garmin or something like that, but Apple CarPlay just works, you know, and you have quite some flexibility with apps. Some apps can load GPXs, some apps don't, but some apps work exactly the same as the TomTom, for example. So yeah, you get a lot of versatility with it and a good device in terms of hardware. So I would highly recommend it. So if you are interested in this device, please check it out in the description. Use my code if it's available, and yeah, enjoy the new device. Thanks for watching. Let's make this corner. Goodbye and enjoy the view. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, or tap here.